Hi everybody! So this is a special occasion because I'm giving away a painting, and if you will look in my description box, you will see how to enter for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching Heather Mader Art and being a support to my channel. I want to keep making art videos for you. Yes, for you. So thank you so much. This painting was interesting because I just wanted to say a couple words about it. I used the little dustpan thing from like the Dollar Tree. It has a lip on the edge that's silicone. And I just wasn't sure that the paint would come off the end like it's supposed to. So I couldn't find a different one, so I decided to try it anyway. And decided to do a flip cup inside of it. I did put one drop of silicone in one color, and that seems to be how I like to use silicone. I really don't love silicone that much, but that's how I did it. The cool part of this painting is I got to use for the very first time, you've all seen me use my high flow pearl 1,000 times. And yes, okay, so it made its way into this painting too. That's just the way it is. But I also got to use for the first time the high flow gold, which I bought. The gold, the copper, the silver, the pearl, I think like the whole, pretty much the iridescent line, the metallic line. So, yeah, and it's so pretty. Now, it didn't dendrite the same way that, that pearl does. That pearl, makes those beautiful fractals. This didn't do it, but it could have been because my paint was too thick or the base wasn't wet enough. And those are usually the two reasons why. If you're not getting those pretty fractals, and a lot of times if you see me adding a little bit of water with the needle nose bottle, it's because the base paint isn't wet enough. But on the other hand, if the base paint is too wet, then the fractals spread out so much that you don't get the definition. You just get kind of like fuzzy little blobs, I guess. So, there's just a fine line. That's why you really have to experiment. Even though you can use it straight from the bottle, there is some experimentation required to make it work. So, I definitely encourage you to experiment and see what you can come up with. I love this painting. It's interesting, it's unique, and it's kind of different from some of my other work. So I'm excited to share it with you. As always, sit back, relax, watch, enjoy, and have a beautiful day. I can't wait to make more art videos for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.